The microinstructions saved in the control memory of a processor have a width of 26 bit. The width of each microinstruction is 26 bit, and each microinstruction is divided into three fields: a microoperation field of 13 bit, a next address field of X number of bits, and a multiplexer select field of Y number of bits. There are 8 bits in the input of the multiplexer. What is the value of X and Y? We know that the multiplexer selection field or the condition field of the control word or the microinstruction register is connected to the selection lines of a multiplexer whose inputs are the condition code flags or the status flags. The selection bits select one among these input conditions, and if some input condition is true or if the input is set, then the next address will be the address from the next address field of the control word. Else, if the condition is false or if the input is not set, then the control address register content can be incremented, or the next address will be the address in sequence. So given here there are 8 inputs to the multiplexer, there are 8 status inputs. So to select one among these conditions, how many bits are required in the selection field? 3 bits are required in the selection field, and the value of Y is 3 bits. The total width of the microinstruction is given as 26 bits, so the value of X is 26 minus 16, 10 bits.